Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Verdie. I am a licensed nail tech, small business owner, and content creator. So today's video, I wanted to, well, first of all, if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I typically don't really do seasonal videos. I definitely don't do holiday videos or holiday designs or seasonal designs. And that's something that I kind of wanted to change as far as the seasonal designs, not necessarily holiday designs. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to purchase more fall colors, but I was like, let me go through my stuff I already have, see what I already have, and start there and see if, okay, do I really want to do fall nails? So today I'm just going to show you swatches of things I already have that I think are good fall colors. So one thing, if you have any suggestions for me, definitely leave me some colors and stuff like that in the comments below. The first set of colors I am going to be swatching is from Not Polish. The color names are on the screen and they will also be in the description box as in the same order that I swatched. So the first color is Ocean Days. And the second color I swatched was I Don't Kiss and Teal. And I found that both of these colors were pretty similar. So you could kind of go with either or if this is something you like the color or you feel like, oh, this is a good fall color. So basically just taking inventory of what I already have, seeing where any, where I can add any additional colors. One of the, I didn't pull any navy blues, but I do have a few different navy blues. I realized that after I was done recording, that maybe I should have got some more navies, but definitely, like I said a few seconds ago, if you have any color suggestions, leave them in the comments down below and I will check them out. I believe my next couple videos will be some fall designs and definitely will be using the colors from this video and a couple colors that I forgot to pull when I was doing the quote unquote shopping my stash. This color is called Sky Magenta, and usually Not Polish has on their labels 2-in-1, but this one is just labeled as a dip it, but you could probably still use it as an acrylic. Just do a thin layer and then go ahead and do a clear coat over top of it. This color is called Dragon Fruit. For me, I think it's fall. It's I don't know, like I think it could be either fall or summery. Let me know summer, fall or summer, a summery. A fall or a summer color. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This color is a reddish color and it is called Casanova. Again, I will list everything that I am swatching in the order that I'm swatching in the description box below. Also, any discount codes I have will be in the description box as well. This color is called Slightly Brightly, and I don't have a lot of oranges that are fallish. I have mostly like corals and like neon oranges for the summer. So I thought this one could possibly be a fall color. And then I pulled this glitter called She Confident. And I'm not 100% sure that this is fall, but I don't know, it's close enough. Um, like if you guys have been on my channel, you know I just do whatever designs I want to do whenever I want to do them. I don't really pay attention to the seasonal colors, but I mostly steer towards like bright colors, especially pinks. So this is definitely a change for me and kind of a challenge. This color, the first glitter color that I swatched was called Champagne Gold, and this second glitter is called Prom Dress. The next color I'm going to swatch is Midnight Run. And I typically don't like browns, but I really, really like this brown. I think I'm going to use this brown in my next video. I do have a design idea in mind, so that's probably the one you guys are going to see next. And the last color I'm swatching is a black. Not all black acrylics are created the same, and you will see in a second once I swatch, when I get to swatching Eden's Rose. The next two acrylics are from iGel Beauty, and this one is called Miss Kelly. The second one is called Arabian Nights. I also have a few navies from iGel Beauty that I didn't pull, but they do have like a billion colors, and sometimes their acrylics can be hit or miss. Some of them were designed for dipping nails, but these two I think are really good acrylics, and they do not marble. So the next line I'm using is from Eden's Rose, and if you use code Verdie15, you can save on your order. The first color I'm swatching is Honey Mustard, and I love this color. The second color I'm going to be swatching is called Red Roses. So also on Eden's Rose website, she does have monomer, and that's the monomer I'm using to swatch everything with. And I do have a monomer 101 video, which I will link in the cards above. And basically, this is one of my top 3 monomers. It was Young Nails Not Polished and Eden's Rose. So definitely check that video out if you are looking for a monomer. This color is Charcoal. Love this color. I think it is good for fall. You guys will correct me if I'm wrong. Like I said, I usually don't do seasonal colors. So this next color is called Galaxy. So it's kind of like a black base with a purple and like purple and blue glitters. So this next color is called Black Panther, and earlier when I said all blacks are not created equal, this one is more of a deeper, darker black. Both the black by Not Polish and Eden's Rose is easy to work with, but they do have a difference in color. These last 3 acrylics I do like. However, after I filmed, I realized Nice Nail Queendom is actually closed for a while. It's not permanently closed. It is closed. I guess she's revamping the site or her inventory or something like that. But I'm still going to tell you the colors I used in case she does come back. Ash is the first one. The second one is Mulberry, and the last one is Forest. And after I was done swatching, I realized I do have a similar green by Not Polish to Forest. I don't have anything similar to Mulberry, but Ash, you can kind of get that grayish brown color from a lot of different places. So these are all the quote unquote fall colors that I swatched. I do want to do this with gel polish. If you guys are interested, just go through my stash and see what fall colors I have for gel polish. Let me know if that's something you would be interested in. So my next few designs will be fall designs using mostly these colors that I swatched today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and kind of the purpose of the video for me was like, girl, do not go and spend more money. See what you have already and then go and add to your collection. So that is what I'm going to do. So let me know in the comments below what fall colors you're using, what brands, all that stuff, so I can check some of those businesses out. And it would mean more to me if they are small businesses. That way I can support small businesses. So appreciate you guys spending your time with me. Look for those fall designs in the next couple of days. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that. And please definitely give this video a thumbs up. It really, really, really helps the YouTube algorithm, and it helps get helps to get my videos in front of other people. Again, thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll see you guys soon for another video.